how the smartphone CPUs work inside the system on a chip. Within the compact world of your smartphone lies a marvel of miniaturized technology. The system on a chipstick, this intricate system acts as the brain and brawn of your device, orchestrating a symphony of functions through the powerful central processing unit at its core. The CPU, akin to a conductor, fetches instructions, decodes them, and dispatches them to specialized processing units within the SoC. These units, each dedicated to specific tasks, function like skilled musicians within the orchestra. The GPU handles demanding visuals. The ESP enhances camera capabilities and communication processors, ensures seamless connectivity, all under the guidance of the CPU. This collaborative effort defines your smartphone's performance. Modern CPUs, often boasting multiple cores, manage multiple instructions simultaneously, much like a conductor leading distinct sections of the orchestra. The SOC's design further optimizes efficiency by facilitating smooth communication between these specialized units, minimizing lag and maximizing processing power. In essence, the interplay between the CPU and the SoC forms the heart of your smartphone's processing prowess. By understanding this intricate collaboration, you gain a deeper appreciation for the technological marvel orchestrating the seamless functioning of your mobile device.